Yo, what's going on, my people? It's your boy Mike back with another video. And, well, the moment is here. Finally, we are back in action. So, we got a license plate, we got insurance, we got registration, we got keys, and we got a bike, and we got a rider. So, that means we finally get to take this thing out on her first ride back on the road since the end of September is when I got into this accident. So we're gonna take her out, we're gonna get her dirty, and we're gonna see what she can and cannot handle. So FYI, gonna give you guys a little heads up. It's sunny, so I'm squinting like a crazy boy. But long story short, I'm in the process of getting a new helmet. I gotta get a new helmet. My older helmet, the colorway does not match my bike whatsoever. So new helmet number one. Then I have an old GoPro I'm gonna test out for this video with you guys. So depending on the quality of GoPro, maybe new GoPro, maybe not new GoPro, but regardless whether I get a new GoPro or not, I do have to get an external mic. My GoPro doesn't have the port for external mic, so I got to get an adapter for it to run a mic, set it up in my helmet. This dog doesn't stop. By the way, she's playing with a piece of firewood right now. I really don't know. But so pretty much that's where we're gonna stand. I'm gonna set you guys up on, I got a chin mount for the helmet that I do have now. So I'll set you guys up on that chin mount. I'm hoping that it will at least pick up the audio of the bike, not be too windy. It's not gonna be anything of me talking, sadly. Like I said, until I have that mic set up inside the helmet, it's not gonna be much talking for now. So I kind of just wanted to explain that to you guys now before we got into this video and you're like, hey, what the heck happened to Mike? He's not talking, did he lose his voice? So yeah, that's that. I know, I'm sorry. I'd be silly if I didn't give you guys a cold start. Get to the good side. Let's get to the good side. Oh man, I love it. I did get a little tank grip too, so I don't scratch it up. Alright, we're at operating temp, boys. Yes, sir! You guys are able to hear anything right now, because I'm really doubting it. OG spot that I started my YouTube channel with on my Subi. Man, God, I love that view. Like, I don't know if you guys heard me on the way here, but I was saying this was my OG spot. When I first started my channel back with my Subaru like 4 or 5 years ago, this is where I ended my videos. This little boardwalk in the water, always nice over here, nice and relaxing. Help you clear your mind and stuff. I mean, gorgeous. A little stinky. Yeah, this was a spot. So I figured it's only right now that I'm back on 2. I got my bike again. It's fixed. We're in motion. You know, I got to do a couple little extra setups on the helmet and everything. Got to get a helmet, get the mic, get the camera and everything. But I wanted to bring it back to the roots. I want to end the video back where I used to always end them. So something a little nostalgic for you guys. Look at this though. It's a little bit of I guess you could say low tide. So it's on the stinky side. The stinky side, baby. So yeah, I mean, bike felt amazing. It rode awesome. The only thing that felt a little weird about the bike was the rotors in the front. I originally had 3.5 millimeter rotors. Those got bent in the accident, so I put 4 mils on. So when you grab the front brake, you kind of feel that like little wobble on the front end. So I'm gonna end up switching back to 3.5 millimeter rotors. But the bike rides fine. I bolt checked the bike probably 3 or 4 times already. Bike doesn't overheat. We're not leaking anything, so I can't complain at all. I'm actually like kind of surprised that I was able to rebuild this bike like that. Oh, surprised I was able to rebuild the bike like that and not to really have too many issues with it. So I'm just praying that I don't have any issues in the future. Hopefully everything's good. I don't have any more problems with the bike and everything's a-okay. So we're gonna end the video here, back in the roots, like I showed you guys, my little boardwalk. I wish I had sunglasses because I'm like squinting and everything again, but I just want to let you guys know that if you want to do something, put your heart to it, and if you really want to do it, you will do it. You just got to work hard, you got to be motivated, and you got to understand that things don't always just get handed to you. Sometimes you got to work a little extra more and put in a lot of extra time into it because you don't know what you're doing. But at the end of the day, when you learn how to do what you're doing and you save yourself the money and whatever the case may be, if you want to do something, you put your mind to it and you put your heart to it, I promise you can do it. You just have to have the time, and that's it. So you guys already know. We're going to end the video here. I appreciate every single one of you. So please go hit that like button. Go subscribe to the channel. I don't have Bailey here, so I can't say my normal saying, but please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave down in the comments, please guys, hit me up in the comments. Let me know content that you guys want to see. Now that we're back on too, we can do whatever we want. So please guys, give me some ideas down in the comments, but I will see you guys in the next video, and that's gonna be it. So until the next video, peace.